Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX210 160 gigahertz adapter facing issue on the driver problem. So no worry about it. First, guys, install the driver. So click on it. Open any browsers to type Intel 6 Wi-Fi 6 driver download for Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it, you can type this and driver almost same. Okay, so first link, this official websites intel.com, just click on it, then scroll down. Now this is the download. This is for Windows 10 and 12, both same. Okay, so click on it and then accept the term and license. After that it will start in the download box, you can see. Okay, it's almost 45 MB. So this is the latest driver. Okay, when it is completed, then minimize it. Then next and very important method, click to start, type device. If you are getting same issue, so you can download driver from other system and after that transfer to this system when you are facing this issue. Then open this driver manager and then find out the network adapter. So this is network adapter. So wireless means Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi also and VLAN. Okay, this is the name of the Wi-Fi driver. Listen, I tell this like, then right click to uninstall. Okay, check this and then uninstall. So after that what happened, older driver is uninstalled. Okay, and then open this Chrome browser and go to this download file locations, open these locations and just double click to launch, which is latest driver downloaded. Okay, and after that it will ask, okay, next. Now is I already installed, that's why getting the repair, but you are installed the fresh one, so it will show like, then click to finish and after that restart your system and then please check it. Thank you guys.